It was a perfectly fine day. But for 我们的 little friends, it was a little too perfect.
And just like that, playtime took a sharp turn.
Their living room was gone. This was much, much bigger. And a lot more. Chewy!
Looky what I found! Mine now!
The jungle was fun! Until it wasn't. Next stop, incoming!
New place.
New smells and brand new ways to play.
Adventure was great, but now they just wanted home. They wanted it together.
There's no place like home, especially after a long trip.
And a good snack helps too.